Hey guys, Xander58 here today, making a brand new video. Today, I am going to react to a 3-year-old girl Rubik's Cube solved 47 seconds. So yeah, let's get started. Dude, if she actually solves this, I'll be surprised because some 3-year-olds are smart, some 3-year-olds are stupid, some 3-year-olds are dumb as hell. So, I'll be surprised if she solves this. Wait. Hold up. Did she already get down to the second layer? Is she on the last? Oh my god, she's on the last step. She just solved it. 47 seconds. "47 seconds. 47. We gotta say this. My record for Rubik's Cube so far is, for the 3x3, I think it's like, yeah, my record is 39 seconds, .24. That's my record for so far. So, I only can get that time sometimes. Sometimes I can get 50 seconds. Sometimes I can get 57 seconds. Sometimes I can get 44 seconds. Sometimes I can get 59 seconds, a minute and 4, a minute and 10, a minute and 8, a minute and 1. And I can get, yeah, so I can get that sometimes, but it was just a lucky solve. A little girl, a 3-year-old girl, solved it in 47 seconds. That is some actual good skills right there, honestly. Like, I know I cannot probably do that when I was like 3 years old, but I could do when I was 12, but not when I was like 3. Like, what the heck, dude? Here, let's watch another one. Let's watch this one. Because this is actually crazy, and I don't know. Some little girls are actually pretty smart, honestly. Like, I know I probably wasn't even that smart, but yeah, some girls are actually pretty smart, and yeah. If you guys think, oh, no, this video is fake. Like, them solving the goddamn Rubik's Cube is fake. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys this. It's not fake because, literally, it's on camera, and plus you can see a freaking 3-year-old solving a Rubik's Cube. Like, that's cray-cray. I don't know if this video's gonna load, so yeah. But we watched one video of a girl solving a Rubik's Cube in 47 seconds. What does this one say, anyways? Oh. So yeah. That's probably it. I am not sure if I can find another video about a little kid solving a Rubik's Cube, but maybe I go to my library. So I found this video out. Wait, it was on my computer, but I think I can go to here. Yeah, it was this one. So, this video is the exact same girl, but there's a catch to this video, to that video. She solved it with one hand. One hand. Like, that is some good talent right there. I can solve it with one hand too, but for a 3-year-old, that's actually impressive. Like, I would never expect a 3-year-old to solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand. Like, I would never know that. This video just needs to load because I want to get done with this video and actually, yeah, do more shit. But it's crazy. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. She's literally using one hand. Like, one goddamn hand to solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand, bro. I can solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand. It just takes me a while. I just need to find it first. Dude, she's doing it for right hand. If she beats my time, I got beat by a little girl. If she beats my time with one hand, I got beat by a little girl if she beats my time. So, hopefully she does not beat my time, so I don't get beat by a goddamn girl, by a little 3-year-old girl. I'll be sad. She's already at 34 seconds. And the cube is kind of halfway solved. It's almost there. It's not like there yet, but it's almost there. It's crazy, bro. How is she like... I don't know how a 3-year-old can solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand. I don't even know how I don't even know how a 3-year-old knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Like, I don't understand this video, bro. Like, come on, bro. I don't know what to say. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Guys, I got beat by a 3-year-old girl solving a fucking Rubik's Cube with one hand. My time for solving a Rubik's Cube for my first solving with one hand takes me 4 minutes, or 3 minutes, or 2 minutes. And she beated my time. She got 1 minute and 26 seconds. What the hell? I got beat by a 3-year-old. And I'm 18. I got beat by a 3-year-old. That is super sad. A 3-year-old beat me in one hand solves? What? Like, come on. Like, does that girl have, like, superpowers or something? Or some smart ability? Because, or, I don't know, man, but... She beat my time. 1 minute and 26. I just don't know what to say about that. I'm just going to end the video because I got beat by a little girl. So, see you guys later.